Yes, my nails are bare today because we're going to be trying on some press-on nails. This time from the brand Rave Nailz. I know it sounds like I make them, but I don't. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raven and I'm a fashion stylist and content creator. But on my channel, I do fashion hauls, press-on nail reviews, and sometimes travel. Another brand sent me some nails. And I'm very excited, okay? You guys are blowing up these videos, so the more companies that send me nails, the more videos you guys get, honey. This time, the video is for Rave Nailz. It sounds like I should own this company, okay? Rave. Just a thought. They sent me 3 sets of nails to review. And they're giving you guys 10% off of your purchase. And I'll be sure to link all 3 sets of these nails in the description box below. So let's just get into these nails. First up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are Untamed Tiger and they were $19.99. First off, I'm very sad because these do not fit my nail beds. I've already tried. It's one of the reasons why I don't have nails on in this video. So with that being said, this is a printed on nail. I think they might be white underneath. Let's double check. Okay. They're not white. They're like a beigey color, but the printing is kind of like ombre-esque in certain areas. So I don't know if that was intentional or not because the black part is actually pretty opaque everywhere. It's just like the under printing might have been intentional. You know what I'm saying? Because tigers aren't just all orange. So maybe they meant to do that. If they did, thank you for that. Okay, we're thinking about the details. If not, then maybe you should have said that it was intentional. Just saying. Anyways, they do have 00 nails. The 00 probably would have fit. It fits up here near my cuticle. So this probably would have fit my nails. So they do run a bit small. This set anyways. I haven't tried the rest of them, but this set runs a bit small. This one is going to come with, I think, 28 nails instead of our normal 24. We love that. It's going to come with the glue and a nail file, which is what popped out earlier, but it's not going to have any other kind of prep, no cuticle pusher, none of that. But these are cute. I really am sad about not being able to wear these tiger print nails. So I'm going to have to find me some other tiger print nails because I really want some now. These nails are pretty thick, so they should last. I would say put a top coat on these though, because the printing is good, but we already know. As soon as you start to get to doing something, it don't got a gel top coat on it. So that something is going to rub off the print on these nails. So just do that so you're safe and not sorry. But the feel of them is very nice. Like, it's almost like, you know how they say it's not velvet, like that's how it feels. Like it's very nice. So once you put the top coat on it, you may lose that feel, but you can put a matte top coat on these to keep this matte kind of finish, or you can even try a glossy one. I've done that before and I was surprised when I put the glossy one on instead of the matte. So that's your business. Next up, this is what I ordered and this is what I got. These are the butterfly nails and they were $21.99. I am obsessed with these nails. I do wish that the nail bed wasn't as clear. So I think I'm going to have to do these with that like gel adhesive stuff and not glue because this is going to show everything underneath. But these babies is long. You know I love me a good long nail, honey. You know I love me a good long nail. These, I believe, are pretty true to size. Yeah, I tried on the 0. It was a little big at the cuticle area, but it fit everywhere else. So I can file that down. But these are cute. I'm obsessed. The print of these is going to come off, but the printing is quite nice, guys. You are going to have to file the tips of these. They're pretty sturdy. They're like not as thick as some other nails, but they're about regular thickness. They're not as thin as some other ones. Some other ones just like you can bend it all the way. These ones like you can't bend the middle. But these are super cute. They have a lot of dimension and color to them. I am obsessed. Okay. And it seems like there's just different butterflies on each one. They were just like, we're going to print a bunch of butterflies and y'all can make it work. Okay. Make it do what it do. And I love that for us. Okay. Because I don't know if any of them are like the same. It doesn't look like it. which I'm here for. You know, I love a good little, like, all the nails are different set. So I'm happy about that. It does come with the nail glue in here, and it also comes with a nail file. I've also never seen like this type of packaging before for nails, so I'm excited about that. But these are cute. These are really, really cute. And again, these are $22. I think they're worth it. You just have to be mindful of how you adhere these, because you will see every little everything underneath. Next up, this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. These are the Groovy nails, and they were $21.99. I really like these. They come with a little rhinestone on them. As far as I can see in the box, the rhinestone looks like it's staying attached. Okay. It does give you a nice little like how to apply on the back, which is nice, especially if you do not know how to apply these, and this is your first set of nails. And it also tells you how to remove them, and it gives you the ingredients of the glue that they have. Okay, I'm here for this. So they do tape this little thing to the back here. It's kind of short because, you know, they just need it to cover this little window. So, you know, this one I will say is probably the most put together, because the other ones, the nail file is just everywhere. So I'm very happy about this being like super intact. But let's get into these nails. I can see by looking through the nail kind of, because, you know, once you put light up to it, it is going to give more of like an ombre effect. There is kind of like a brown tip on it, so it's probably an undercoat, and then it gives more of an ombre. Again, if you're not doing this, which no one is going to be doing because they're going to be on your fingertips, it don't matter. But for me, I got to tell y'all what I see, okay? Anyway, so this is a 5. My index finger is normally a 5. It's fitting, and these are long, honey. I love a long nail. But you may or may not want this. It's very subtle though, okay? I am obsessed because my name starts with an R, and there's an R on this nail, okay? I love it. But the rest of these, the design is really, really nice, where they have the negative space is nice. Now, it is giving more of like pink instead of negative space, so it looks like it's just printed. Clearly it's printed on a pink nail, but the nail bed, or I will say the nail itself, that pinkish color to me isn't really giving nude. So that's why I'm saying it's not really giving negative space to me. Like, quote unquote negative space is just giving another color, if that makes sense. Okay, so there is, if you are a 9, I'm not a 9, which I was now. Maybe, can I be a 9 in this set? I might be able to be a 9 in this set though. There is an R on this nail, and it is more prominent because it is in this purple color, whereas with the brown, I'll put that nail, it's in like a yellow, so you can barely see it on this one. But this is nice. This is a lot of printing, honey. Okay, y'all did that. For the most part, it goes from end to end, from top to tip. I love it. These rhinestones don't really seem like they're going anywhere. We're pushing, honey. We are pushing. Why is it blue? I don't know. I can see a little blue on this nail, maybe because that's like where the thing was supposed to go and it's just a little off. I don't know. But they don't seem to be going anywhere. You will need to put a top coat on this though, so you may have to just like kind of paint around the rhinestone. You know, that's your business. I'm probably gonna be too lazy for all of that, so we will just be painting on top of them. But this is a nice nail. I really like this, especially for fall. And the colors are like a purple, orange, this like taupey color, and then like a darker taupey color with the pink. Like, there's a lot of colors up in here, y'all. And so if you don't like a lot of colors, you may not like this. But I think they're gorgeous. And I love just that, like, it's very small rhinestones and very, like, you know, placed nicely, but not like a ton on each finger. So if you're introing into rhinestones, this might be a good set for you. So that is it, y'all. That is my full Rave Nailz haul. I think that they get a good at least 8 to 9 out of 10. Okay, the designs were consistent. There was no fading. It didn't look like newspaper print. Okay, the medium height nails though, those were the only issues. Okay, but I do have very long nail beds, so I understand that I may not be the average girl when it comes to nails. Okay, so I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. But the designs themselves, A1. Again, I'll be sure to leave the links to everything from this video in the description box below. And Once again, you get 10% off with my discount code. If you would like to join the tribe of baddies on a budget, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to be notified every time I post a new video. And you might as well follow me on IG and TikTok. With all of that being said, watch this video that was picked specifically for you.